In this video, I will show you how to add a task in ClickUp. So first open up the space that you want to add the task to. So here you can see your spaces, click on that and then go to your space that you want to add it to. So I'll do it in this one right here. Then you can view it in list, board, calendar, whatever you want. So I'll do board, but the steps are the same. So right here you can see plus and then after that it says task. So click on that. Then here you can write out the details of the task. So you can also make it a priority, set the date, edit the tags, templates, dependencies and the watchers. So here you can also say who it's for, and basically you can do everything that you have to. Then once you're done, click on create task right here. And then as you can see, the task has been created. And then the person who it's assigned to can just drag it over to in progress and complete when they are done. So that's how you can add a task in ClickUp.